Hello everyone, this is Manikanda Belde. Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is how to become better than yesterday, and let's dive in. Becoming better every day is very important. You should learn new things every day and apply it to your life. If you don't change and improve yourself every day, you'll dwell and suffer all your life. Everyone wants to become a better person, but most people do nothing about becoming better every day. They assume to become better by the way they are. They don't want to make changes, they don't want to learn, but they want to become better, which won't happen. It is impossible to become better every day by doing nothing. You need to nourish your mind and body every day to become better and stronger. What you feed your mind and body with makes what you will be. You can't expect your body to become stronger and healthy by eating junk every day. In the same way, you can't expect your mind to become better and stronger by feeding it with junk thoughts. Remember, the days you did nothing, you just spent time lazily on useless things, and did you feel any betterment in you? Instead, you would have felt tired and helpless about your life. When this becomes your habit, you'll never become better, and instead your mind growth stops and you become addicted to false things in your life. You will live a life that you hate, but somehow you still live it. Self-hatred is lethal for the mind. Don't live a dead life when you're still alive. If you take charge of your life and do things that improve your life, you will become hopeful and happy. You need not worry about methods. Most methods are simple and you know them really well, and the only problem is the execution and not giving up. There are simple ways to become better every day. These methods only need your efforts and determination to work well in you. All methods involve learning. Your mind has everything and you need to nourish it with the knowledge to become better every day. The first one is learn from situations. Every day you come across some kind of situation. Some situations are good and they bring you joy and happiness. And some situations are bad and they bring you pain and sadness. Whatever the situation may be, the wonderful thing is you have something valuable to learn from every situation in your life. Most people ignore this and they suffer because of the situation. They give up several times in life because of situation. They give control to situation and they feel weak and desperate. You need to control situations in your life. Don't give your control to them. You need to respond to a situation instead of reacting. This way, you will have more control over situations. When you respond to a situation, you will try to understand it well and then find solutions that actually work well, and you'll make your final decisions. Whereas when you react, you don't understand and make decisions that go wrong most of the time. If you want to learn from situations and become better every day, respond to them, don't react to them. Responding gives you control over situations and reacting gives situations the control over you. Now choose what you want. Second one is learn from people. There are several mentalities that make one person different from others. Different people think differently, and as a human, you deal with other humans every day in your daily life. And learning from them is necessary to survive well in this world. Observe people carefully every day. You need to observe their actions more than their words and how they respond to everything in their lives. You can't experience every situation in your life, and therefore you need to learn from others' mistakes and experiences. This way, you will stay ahead when you have to deal with same mistakes or experiences in your life. This way you grow and become better every day fast. You can't commit all mistakes and experience every situation in your life, and that's why learn from others' mistakes and experiences to grow strong every day. Learn from knowledge resources. There are several sources to learn from in this modern world. There are books, videos, blogs, courses, and the internet to learn about anything you wish to. The knowledge is at your fingertips. You can learn any skill and technique in no time using these sources of knowledge. Feed your mind with useful knowledge so that it stays active and helps you become better. If you don't feed your mind with knowledge, it becomes passive and lazy, which works against you, and therefore nourish it with amazing knowledge that's available around you. Learn from your failures and mistakes. And this is the final topic. It may be a business or job or relationship. When you fail, you need to learn from your failures. They teach you precious lessons that you can apply for your lifetime. Don't be scared of your failures. They help you grow stronger when you learn from them. They are part of your success. They are the symbols of your mistakes you need to correct. By learning from your mistakes and failures, you'll do better at anything the next time. That helps you grow into a better person who has wonderful experiences and wisdom for growth. Accept failures are part of the success and learn from them and enjoy the process. Use these simple yet powerful methods and grow every day into a better person. By becoming a better person, you do well in several aspects of your life. You'll not be weak-minded like many. You will appreciate taking risks and not giving up on anything in life. You'll live a joyful life that has a zeal to acquire knowledge and positivity. Grow habits in you that build you strong and learn from everything in life, as everything has a wonderful lesson for mental growth. Keep learning and keep growing into a better person every day. And if you like this video, you can click on like, and if you want the future updates, subscribe to this channel. And see you soon.